Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So now I am in Boston, not exactly in Boston, but I'm in Cambridge. So this is the Sheraton Commander Hotel. I'm going to give you a quick room tour. It's about 8 minutes walk to the Harvard campus. So I'm very excited that I'm taking a 2-day course on AI at Harvard. So I booked this hotel for 3 nights. So I guess a lot of executives will stay at this hotel as well. So I'm going to give you a very nice room tour. This is one of the oldest Sheraton hotel in the world. The receptionist told me it was built in 1927. So there's a lot of George Washington's photo, a lot of paintings and everything around this hotel, which make it quite interesting. I'm in my room. I am in room 432. They have nicely upgraded me to a junior suite, which I'm grateful for. So I will do a quick room tour. So when I walk in, this is the closet. So they do provide a bathrobe, and then the luggage rack, as well as safe deposit box, iron and iron board, and then a pair of slippers. So which is nice, and with good number of hangers. Okay, moving in on my left is the bathroom. So they do not have the stand-up shower. They have the bathtub, and then they have the kind of a very good rain shower. Hopefully the power is good. And then this is the amenity. And then this is a single sink with hair dryer, also with amenities as well. And then at the end is the toilet bowl. Okay, so I asked when I check in, because when I read about this hotel, they mentioned they're going through renovation, but they say they have delayed the reservation process. So hopefully by about May of the time, they may have some rooms available, but I'm here in March. So although you may be seeing this video in a later time. But anyway, this is my junior suite bedroom. So very bright, with a lot of windows, the corner and everything. I like it. So starting with here, they have some water, ice bucket as well in here. Okay, and then they have the 4-poster bed, and still the very, very thick mattress and the linens that I like. So which is very good if you see how thick the mattress is. Okay, and then the poster bed is nice. Okay, and then they have, this is a junior suite. They say this is a small, not too small, but this is the sitting area, the sofa area. So I just want to show you the view of my room. Actually, if we go that direction, that's Harvard. So as I mentioned at the beginning, it's about 8 minutes walk. So you can see a lot of people walking around. It's a nice day in March here. Okay, so zooming back, this is the television. Okay, I haven't actually opened this. Okay, just cabinet, and then there is a mini fridge. I checked, there's nothing in there, but it's good that you can put your drinks and everything in here. And then for a junior suite, they have this corner, which is the workspace area, which is very, very handy. With the coffee machine, the chair, and like a table. So I can actually do some homework, schoolwork in here. And it's quite nice to have this space. So this is the overall room description. For Platinum Elite Bonvoy member, I got both they do not have the club launch open yet. So they give me an appetizer coupon that I can go down to the restaurant for a happy hour between 5:30 to 9:30, I think. And then also for buffet breakfast. And also for the welcome points as well. So this is where I'm going to stay for 3 nights. And and I'm very excited to be, going to Harvard as a student for a couple of days. And I will have another video to show you the Harvard University campus as well. So I'm going to go for appetizer for breakfast. So follow me and I will show you the experience at the Sheraton Commander Hotel in Cambridge, Boston, United States. Good morning, Cambridge, Boston. So looking out from my window is going to be a very rainy, murky day today. But I'm still excited to go to school, and I'm now going down for breakfast. We'll keep you posted. Just continue to watch.